Oh, hello everyone. Welcome to Dove in Head First. My name is Lucy and today I'm going to show you how to make African waist beads. So these are the things that you're going to need. You're going to need these clasps. I couldn't find bigger ones, but these will do. You are going to need some craft medley or like some beading jewelry stuff. They look like that. I don't know if that can be seen. Yes, like that. And then you're going to need an array of beads, and you're also going to need one of those clear transparent beading wires. So the first thing I'm going to do is take one of these. So you need to measure your waistband, like measure your waist. I'm gonna open it and then normally start with these. So there's that one that has this one goes in here. So I'm going to start with these. I do not want to use this clasp, so I'm going to just take that away. I went ahead and measured my waist. So what I did to hold it into place, I put a bead. Is that bead visible? I put a bead in it, and then I'm just gonna tie it severally. So I'm kind of doubling it so that it's not just one waist bead, it'll be like 1 in 4. Few times, and then you take it and drop them in here one by one. And the final one. So all those are out, so I'm just gonna pull it all the way to the... Okay, we might have a problem. We have a problem over here, so I need to... Let's see. What is that? Okay, there we go. So just pulling it all the way to the end. So I think that will do. Let me see if it can close. So it fits. And I'm going to leave that there so that I don't lose it. So then we're going to take one of these, and then take one side. You wrap it through, you fold it and kind of just pull it. Then a few of the beads, so what you do is, this is a wire thing, so it's really good at picking. So you'll just pick them. You just do that and it keeps picking. I need to find, if it's folded or bent facing forward, it's easier. So once you pull it through and it sticks there, it will hold the needle thing in place. So you just keep poking and picking. And you move it. I think I need more of the beads. It makes it easier. So that much. We have the needle. I think you can see it, and you just poke. Just pick and pull. It's a somewhat tedious process, but also satisfying if you're a crafter. And I bought all these, products from the dollar store. Sometimes it picks a lot, sometimes it picks a few, but you just keep going. So far I have done that much, so I'm gonna continue doing it and then come back and show you. So it is all done, as you can see, all done. So this is what we do next. We have the other clasps that I left here so that I wouldn't lose it. You'll take it off, put it on the side. I still have these two metal things for holding it in, so just pull one, take it out, and then I also have the other one. So just pull it out, whichever one comes out. I think it's the other side. There we go. Pull it out. So I have these two. So this time you're gonna come in from inside, like from this side. Just put one at a time. There we go. Now it's gone in. So I'm gonna pull it all the way, and then I'm just gonna knot it as many times as I can. So just put a knot. That's where the tweezer comes in handy. Can you see how tight it is? Pull it, do a second one, that will keep it secure. Now what I'm just gonna do is take a lighter and burn it. So it's all done. So this one is 2, but it's really long, so I'm gonna double it on my waist like that. It's a little bit staggered so that whenever it lands, it's like that. I had made another one. This is 3, so you can make as many as you want. This one will make 4 in 1, but this is 3, so you can, when you put it, it staggers like that. And this is the final product. If you've stayed with me this long, kindly consider subscribing. There's more interesting videos coming up. Thank you and God bless. Bye-bye.